Today we want to talk about water-wise gardening. We're here at the Bridgewater College Community Garden to look at how we can save water in our vegetable gardens. So this garden is large enough that we have to water it with sprinklers. So one of the things to consider is when would you want to do your watering. With sprinklers, you really need to think about watering in the morning because those systems are going to put water on the leaves of the plant, which could cause fungal growth or mildew. So you want to water in the morning so the plants and the soil have a chance to dry out during the day. You want to look for your plants to be healthy and well watered as you pick the ones from your garden center. These have nice, strong leaves and everything looks good. As plants get water stress, the leaves may tend to curl and fall in and wilt down towards the stem of the plant. And those are plants you wouldn't want to purchase. So as I'm planting these, I've prepared my soil and I want to take my little plant and I want to make sure while they're still in this cell pack that I'm keeping them well watered so they don't dry out. These cell packs are infamous for drying out very quickly, even at your home. So make sure you're checking those at least every day for being well watered. So now that I've got the plant in the ground, I want to make sure I press it in nicely so the roots are coming in good contact with the soil so they can do their water absorption. In our flower beds, we are usually used to putting lots of mulch around our flowers to make them look nice and neat. In the vegetable garden, you can do the same, and this will end up helping you save lots of water. So in this garden, I have lots of wood chips, old leaves, and cut grass. And I use a combination of those materials as they will compost into the soil to put around my plants to help keep the water in. If your garden is small enough, you may want to use just hand watering cans like this one. And then once you've got your plants in the ground, make sure you water them very heavily for those first few days to make sure that root is getting plenty of water so the plant will establish and then grow well. And then remember to mulch around them to help that water stay in. Water is such a precious resource, even in our vegetable gardens. We want to be water-wise in all our activities.